Alrighty guys, so one of the highest performing pages that I ran is a very simple page. And this page looks just like this. It says, are you 18 years old? Yes or no? And this page has outperformed some of my more professionally designed pages. So as I was trying to figure out why this page was working, I started researching with ChatGPT and started looking online and trying to figure out the reason actually why this page works so well. And then I came to something called neuro-linguistic programming for marketing. And they're saying basically this is like what you call an open loop. So basically you're implying that there could be important information on the next page. So when the user clicks it, it creates what you call a pattern interrupt. So it's basically interrupts the user's pattern. So let's say they were jogging or something, and then they went ahead and they pressed yes or no. It breaks their pattern, so they're actually going to pay attention to the offer more. So that's typically the idea of this page. Is you're creating an open loop and you're breaking the user's pattern. So in order to create these pages, I'm going to go ahead and give you guys a prompt that you can use. It's very simple and it will create these pattern interrupt style pages. So there's going to be a prompt. I'm going to go ahead and put this in the post. So all you're going to do is you're going to paste this prompt into ChatGPT and then go ahead and search or click the arrow button. And it's going to go ahead and start bringing up the HTML code. So we just have to let it finish. So once it's finished, we're going to go ahead and just copy the code here. And then we're going to go to Notepad++ and just paste this code in. So after we paste the code in, we're going to go ahead and add our tracking links and pixel. So I'm going to go ahead and go to CPV Lab. And then I'm going to go ahead and copy the URL, the offer URL, and then the pixel. So I'm going to go ahead and paste the offer URL into the first link here, which is yes. And then for no, I'll just put a hashtag. All right, so once this is in here, we need to add the pixel. And I'll add this pixel right below the closing body tag. And then we can go ahead and save this as an HTML file. And then we can go ahead and upload this to our FTP client. So now we can go ahead and view the page. Now keep in mind that the page will be different for everyone most likely because I had it randomized, the icons and everything. So you could get this page, you could get a random page like this or something like this. So every time you enter in the prompt, you're most likely going to get something different. So thank you guys for checking out this video. I hope this helped. If you need any questions or have any comments, please let me know and take care.